Welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha R15 V5. With its striking design and advanced features, this bike promises to take the sport bike segment to new heights. Let's explore what makes the R15 V5 a must-consider option for enthusiasts. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 R15 V5 showcases a bold, aggressive design that screams sportiness. Yamaha has refined the aerodynamic bodywork, enhancing both looks and performance. The new LED headlights offer a futuristic touch, while the vibrant color options ensure you'll turn heads wherever you ride. The overall ergonomics have also been improved for better rider comfort, making long rides more enjoyable. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the R15 V5 is powered by a robust 155cc liquid-cooled engine, delivering an impressive power output. With Yamaha's variable valve actuation VVA technology, riders can expect enhanced performance across the rev range. And the bike also features a lightweight chassis, ensuring excellent handling and stability at high speeds. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the track, the R15 V5 delivers a thrilling ride. Technology and features. Yamaha has loaded the R15 V5 with cutting-edge technology. The full digital instrument cluster provides all essential information at a glance, including ride modes, fuel efficiency, and more. The addition of Bluetooth connectivity allows for seamless integration with your smartphone, giving you access to navigation and call alerts. Plus, the upgraded suspension system enhances comfort and control on various terrains. Safety and handling. Safety is paramount, and the 2025 R15 V5 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with advanced ABS and a slipper clutch, ensuring smooth downshifts and preventing rear-wheel lock-up. The improved braking system provides confident stopping power, enhancing overall safety during rides. With its nimble handling and responsive steering, the R15 V5 feels planted and agile, whether on tight corners or open roads. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 sets a new standard in the sport bike category. With its stunning design, powerful performance, and advanced technology, it's a fantastic option for both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts. If you're in the market for a lightweight sport bike that combines style and substance, the R15 V5 should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Bike Buzzin' channel, and hit that notification bell for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.